Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful morning. Not a breath of wind. Beautiful and cool. It smells like ozone. It's fabulous. Yes, so this is day 10. No drinking. Sober. Still showing up. Still here. I'll check in again this afternoon. I just wanted to bring something to attention very quickly this morning for you guys and for myself. I've been participating in a Think Media Sprint, which is designed on starting YouTube channels. And I must say it's done wonders for me. So I now have a clear direction for this channel. So I'll be executing that from today, and you'll see a little bit more structure and a little bit more direction with the whole channel. And obviously with this, about habits and the science of habits and habit changing, because we are our habits, and habits replace habits. Anyways, might as well just say good morning to the stallion here while we're at it. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Hello. Hello, my friend. Oh, they took his ladies away to go feed them or something, so he's not very impressed this morning. Alright, guys, well, I'll see you this afternoon for the second check-in. Thanks for being here. Have a good morning. Until then. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're following this, thank you for joining me on the journey. It's the day 10 already. Day 10 of day 1 to 30 of no drinking. Jeepers. Yes, so it's just afternoon check-in. Just checking in for the second time of the day. Still sober, still here. And I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Till then, keep safe. See you in the morning.